Hello friend, today we shall talk about a topic that what is Salesforce CRM. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in CRM, Salesforce and you want to learn about it. So friend, this is the definition which I have just taken it from the Google, that Salesforce CRM is a cloud-based platform that help business manage customer relationships, track interactions and analyze customer data. So friend, first of all, we have to understand that there are mainly two terms which are using in this definition. First one is the CRM and the second one is the cloud. So first of all, we have to understand that what is a CRM, because Salesforce is a CRM. So what is actually a CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's a technology that helps business manage interaction with customer to improve relationships and ultimately grow their business. So basically friend, I just try to understand the main concept here. The CRM is basically a customer relationship management software. Whenever we are working in any organization and dealing with customer, the most important thing is that we have the information about customer. So basically CRM is a software which basically which basically holds all the information, all the things related to customer. Okay, like for example, when this customer is created, what are the products which we have provided, what are the contact detail, what are the product which basically customer is using, what are the issues which he is facing. So all these types of information are basically managed and hold in the CRM software. This is mainly the purpose of a CRM software. Now we can talk about what is basically a cloud. Whenever we talk about CRM, whenever we talk about Salesforce CRM, always there is a term called as cloud. So next we have to understand what is basically a cloud. Basically, a friend, whenever we talk about cloud, we are basically referring to remote servers. See, there is a user device like who is using a browser, and by using the internet he is accessing the applications, database, infrastructure. All those things are residing on the remote servers. So that is why it is called as the cloud. Cloud is basically a servers which contains all applications, databases, and a person with a device, mainly like for example with a laptop, with a mobile, he is basically accessing the remote servers by using the internet and the browser mainly. The cloud is basically normally use the client server architecture, in which the user here, this is the user who is basically called as a client, and these are the servers which resides on the remote servers, and we are accessing these servers like applications and databases using the devices, using the browser and using the internet. Okay, so this is the concept of cloud actually. Now if we talk about cloud example, like for example you are using Netflix. So Netflix is an example of cloud. Facebook is another example of cloud. Instagram is another example of cloud. So all these are the very basic examples of cloud which normally we are using commonly, and maybe it's also possible that you are using these cloud services, but maybe you don't know that these are basically the cloud services which you are using. Now coming back to our main topic, Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM is a very popular Salesforce CRM, and like in USA and many people are using nowadays Salesforce CRM. Why? So main purpose of Salesforce CRM is that it holds information about customer. Okay, it you can hold all important information in the Salesforce CRM. So it is a platform which helps a person to manage the information about a user, about a customer in the Salesforce CRM. Now let me give you a very simple example here. This is an interface of a Salesforce CRM. Like here you can see there are leads, accounts, contacts, campaign, dashboards, reports. So at some stage we will talk about in detail about all these steps, but mainly friend, you can see that all important information is basically residing in the Salesforce CRM, and you don't need to go anywhere. Like, it contains all the information, like what are the closed deals, what are my accounts, what are the relationships, what is in the pipeline, what are goals. Okay, similarly, like what are my accounts, what are the campaigns which are going on. So basically friend, I think that if you just see this interface, you can imagine, you can understand that how much information it has about a customer, and you can easily manage your customer through the Salesforce.